Hello, I'm Sonic. We will learn about miscellaneous derivative functions. In this video, we'd like to tell you for the trigonometric exponential differentiation and rational integration. Firstly, let's learn about trigonometric exponential differentiation. You are already familiar with the differentiation of trigonometric functions, like sine to cosine x, and cosine to minus sine x, or tan to square secant x. Here comes the tricky ones. Let's consider y equals sine x to the power of cosine x. You cannot derive it to cosine x times sine x to the power cosine x minus 1. All you have to do, we have to get started with natural log function. Taking natural log on both sides, we get natural log y equals natural log sine x to the cosine x exponent, which is also equal to cosine x times natural log sine x. Then differentiating with respect to x, we get 1 by y times dy over dx, equals, cosine x over sine x, minus sine x times natural log sine x. You mean, cosine over sine is cotangent of x. To find the value of dy over dx, take y to the right hand side by multiplying them. Then write the value of y, which is now stated as follows. Dy over dx equals sine x to the cosine x exponent, times cotangent x minus sine x times natural log sine x. How about another example, y equals 2 to the sine x power. Then taking natural log on both sides, we get natural log y equals sine x times natural log 2. Then, differentiating with respect to x just like we did. Now we get the value dy over dx, equals, 2 to the power sine x, times cosine x and natural log 2, plus sine x divided by 2. If you like to know about the natural log tables, you can find that natural log of 2 is equal to 0.693. If you compare and contrast between standard log and natural log, with any value of x. Of these, if you put x equals 0, then both of two different log functions are negative infinity. If it is 1, then both of two log functions are 0. Now for onwards x equals 2, then the two values will come differently. Standard log of 2 is 0.301, and natural log of 2 is 0.693. Its natural log is much greater than the standard log. If x equals 10, as a reference mark, standard log of 10 is 1, and natural log of 10 is 2.303. That's how we compared and contrasted them. Now, on the other hand, we will learn about the rational integration method. Suppose you use a quadratic polynomial equation on the denominator. Let's have 2x squared minus 11x plus 5 on the denominator. In numerator, we keep as 1. Once you start evaluating the integration method, the denominator must be first simplified. We write as x minus 5 times 2x minus 1, except at x equals 5 and 1 by 2, which is obtained as an infinity value. Now, we may have to separate the two values in the denominator. On the right hand, we can sum up the values. We have two unknown values a and b. We now write a divided by x minus 5, plus b divided by 2x minus 1. Multiplying the rest of the denominator will officially cancel out the values in both numerator and denominator. 1 on the left hand side, equals the right hand side a times 2x minus 1, plus b times x minus 5. You can now put the recommended values to eliminate a or b. Once you have solved this, we get the two values of a and b. A equals 1 by 9, and b equals minus 2 by 9. Then solving the integral value dx, we get 1 by 9 times natural log x minus 5, minus 2 by 9 times natural log 2x minus 1, plus c as a constant. You can try any other polynomial equations in the denominator, so this was a miscellaneous topic of derivative functions. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.